Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to here, I am Sanindulk Lakshan, 10th grade student at Royal College Kalam. In this video, I am going to talk about what is Wordle. Wordle is a web-based word game created and developed by Wales software engineer Josh Wordle and owned and published by the New York Times Company since 2022. Players have 6 attempts to guess a 5-letter word, with feedback given for each guess in the form of colored tiles, indicating when letters match or occupy the correct portion. The mechanics are nearly identical to the 1955 pen and paper game Giotto and the television game show Francis Lingo. Wordle has a single daily solution with all players attempting to guess the same word. So from today, I'm going to upload screen recording of my Wordle attempts. If you are interested to watch them, subscribe to my YouTube channel and wait for a notification. Thank you.